time doing so. And within a week, I just so happened to put on another 600 miles after doing that. I had gotten up to 800 something miles and had to go do my 1,000 mile service. And so it was 100 miles away. So by the time I got there, it was at 1,000, just a little over 1,000. And then after getting the service done, I ran about 100 miles worth of errands and then 100 miles or so back home. So just over 1,200 miles. 1,208 miles. Woo-hoo. And here I am having to do my second 600 mile clean and lube the chain. And I figured, well, I got off work at night time and I'm gonna be out on the road sometimes riding my bike at night. And so I figured I would do a night cleaning and lubrication of the chain video. So without further ado, I present to you the Pan America Harley Davidson at night chain cleaning, chain lube. I'm using a headlamp, so I hope it stays focused. Alright. So basically do the same thing that you do in the daytime, just at nighttime. I'll put it up on a center stand. Real easy to do that. So here we go. I'm going to bring it in a little bit closer. Alright, hope I'm not blinding at all, but I got this flashlight. I usually carry a flashlight with me all the time. This is rechargeable. I've had this one since 2016. Got from REI. Rechargeable. Been through a lot. It's now 2022. All the places it's been. Okay. But I'm using this headlamp from REI also. It's Black Diamond brand. This flashlight is Phoenix, F-E-N-I-X UC35. Awesome. But so yeah, man, you'll be out there in the middle of the highway somewhere, back roads, and you don't got the convenience of having porch lights or garage lights and such. You know, it might be nighttime and you might have to do some maintenance, you know, chain maintenance, a little breathing. So it's pretty much the same supplies as 600 miles ago. A little doggy diaper. Is in neutral. And I don't have those dollar store ones because I did not plan on doing clean cleaning so soon. It didn't occur to me that going home after 1,000 mile service was going to put me at 1,200 miles. So, well, this time I got some clear gloves. These are vinyl gloves. They might even be too small. Yeah, mostly too small. But you know, if you're out riding around, camping, blah blah blah, doing stuff out on the road, you might not want to get the grease on your hands. I don't know. Maybe you want to cook a meal after doing a little maintenance. Chain maintenance. Maybe let's call it chaintenance. Chain maintenance. I put this spiral scrub brush back in this package. Okay, so we got this is a chain lubricant. Here's the cleanup. So also, this is my drinking water, but I brought this out here because if I'm going to be out on the trail, I'm definitely not going to be hooked up to any kind of water source such as this. So I'm thinking I'm going to carry like a little spray bottle, and I'm going to just fill it up with water and get it close to spray off after spraying the cleaner on there. So shake this up real good, and then, you know, like I didn't ride through any dirt or nothing, just rode to Dallas, and that's pretty dirty itself. But, so get this all sprayed off again. Close this tight. Oh man, totally was spraying the tire. That's not good. All slippery. So see, that's a learning experience. Let's not put that slippery tire on the road for sure. I'm gonna let that sit there for a bit and then change it up. Change up the camera angle for you. Alright, so it's been sitting for a little bit. Let me get this spiral brush over here. And I really am happy with this headlamp. It's a new one by Black Diamond. I don't know how new. It's the Black Diamond 500. I think it's called the Storm. The Spot, I believe, was like the 450, something like that. Scrubbing. Here we go, scrub fest. See if I can pull on the chain so I can spin the tire. Last time I didn't really squeeze the brush when I was doing this. I'm trying mostly to focus pressure by squeezing this way. I mean, it does have bristles going down this way too, but you can see the white from the lubricant on the inside of the chain. Definitely mucky, yucky. Yep. spray it. Spray it while I'm spraying. Let's see what happens. That's a pretty good job, I think. Even though these gloves don't fit, they sure look neat. You see tattoos underneath. Ooh. Okay. That's pretty good. This gets cleaned off in the process, mostly. Got a little bit of dirt funk in there. It'll be alright. It'll ride. Orders online, but 360-degree chain brush. 58-7820. Pretty dang clean. So I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit, then I'll wipe it even drier with the towel. Hopefully not get too much lint in there. Okay, well I'm gonna use my mostly dry towel to wipe the water. I don't know if you noticed when I was doing that a while ago, the towel was sitting right there at the bottom and got a little wet. What you gonna do? It's not yet officially summer here in East Texas, but it sure feels like it. That's for sure. I think I got home about 8 o'clock. It's probably like 9 or so right now at night. Still a little muggy out, but not hot enough to like air dry this really quick like in the daytime. So I'm gonna let that chill for a little bit, dry out, and then I'm gonna come back in with the Delray chain, maybe paint spray on the inside as I turn the wheel. And I'm gonna try and work on checking out the chain tension, what the parameters are of chain tension. I'm still new to that stuff there, so has a lot to do with stuff back there. I gotta make sure I got the right tools, because definitely gonna need to have those tools when I'm traveling around. Speaking of traveling, okay, mind you, when I'm going to be cleaning it on the road, I'm going to be using a spray bottle, which will not be producing as much water so that diaper thing will not be getting over full of its stuff. I had a little bit of an accident trying to get to the trash can. Should have brought the trash can to me and not get it to the trash can. But, yeah.